Homie's new spot. Giving this spot a try. I got the Okuma SST, the Daiwa. I put a sleeve on it and a little protector because these things are pretty sharp. I want these ones to look good. Starting off with a Texas rig, 1 ounce bead, 5-inch Berkeley Gold in the salmon red color. Let's see what we have to drink today. We'll start off light. We'll start off with Work-Life Balance Soft Saison Ale by Hen House Brewing Company. What is this? 5% alcohol. Not too hoppy. I've had these before. A little tart. Oh no. I'll leave this right here for now. And I'm gonna turn on the camera when we do first cast. So, like the neat thing we do. Okay. No. Well, like half the beer spilled out, so might as well pound it. I knew that was gonna happen. Tiny Cabazon, homies. First fish of the day. Big waves. So I'm gonna unhook this guy, obviously too small, and then we're gonna let him go. Perfect, got him right on the side of the lip. All right, we're gonna re-rig. Let's see what else is in here. See me out. We'll try one of these. It's a bigger one. I caught a little ling on it last time. So it's like orange, white, almost looks like a goldfish. Let's crack open another one to celebrate. Right now, we'll go with a IPA, 6.9% alcohol. Does it say the hops? So it says Cascade, Cinco, Mosaic, and Belma, and Hallertau Blanc. I don't know if that's how you say it. This one's always good. If you see this one, this is the one you usually see like at a restaurant. So if you see this one, try it out. This and Stoked. All right, homies, probably gonna move spots. The wind's coming this way towards me, so when I cast, it's not casting as far and going a little to the right. You can see it's getting a little washy. So we're gonna move spots. Still early, got all day. Currently, this spot is not bussin'. It's kind of a long walk. So we're gonna crack open a walkie. We'll call them walkies, not roadies, because we're not on the roads and I don't really approve of that. But we're gonna crack open a Sierra Nevada. Here we go. These are kind of like, not cheapies, they're not even that cheap. You could do a Modeller, but not too much flavor in a Modeller. Frencher said one time, made me I was laughing for like an hour, but I'm straight sweating IPA right now. Alright, that was a 19-inch Cabazon. Fucking great, dude. Second fish of the day, 2 cabs today. One was, I didn't even measure it, I knew it wasn't to size. That one was 19. Celebrate with a stoked. Now I'm gonna go back down there. That little ling was one of these Yamamoto something swim baits. See if I could re-rig it. If not, they're pretty cheap. They're actually pretty cheap. I have some more, but cool, first one on this type of swim bait. There was a couple right there and they were watching for a minute and they missed it. They missed it. Is that a black or a blue? I can't tell. If you could figure it out, let me know in the comments. Nothing anymore, homies. It's probably time to head out. We might stop. I'll leave this on. We might stop, do a few casts on the way back. Oh wow, it's really nice over here. Look at all these mussels. Perfect. Can't tell if it's getting hit, so when you can't tell if it's getting hits, it's better to stop, and because whatever's gonna hit it is gonna keep hitting it. If you keep moving, you might get out of their little zone. That's what I would call it. And you know, they'll be like, oh, that little fish left. Oh. Move down a little bit more. I think I found one already. Yep. Here we go, homies. Cabazon. So I got a Cabazon right away. I'm gonna let this one go, too small.